Really? You guys look like shadows, by the way.
I'm not kissing you with that thing in your mouth. Are you putting it in?
Give me a minute, I gotta take this out.
Oh.
They really do look like shadows.
Wait! That's when you sitting on my brain, please. Back here, buddy.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt children with that.
Who's lighting it? Nobody, because the matches suck.
Ask to use her lighter.
Whose?
Her.
Whoa, can we use your lighter? Oh, yes. We just want to spark up the sparklers.
Hey, Brendan, she's got a lighter. Stop being
oblivious.
Get it out of your mouth.
Smoke the lighter? Sparkler?
That's a lot of fun.
Keep it over there!
Keep it over there.
Give me that.
Take that one and play with it.
Really? How long does it take to light a dang sparkler?
Apparently a long time.
Puff on it a little bit.
Puff on it a little bit.
Incense or sparkler?
Sparkler.
They're sparklers. Throw it in the water.
No.
You have to throw those in the water because then it'll...
You're contaminating the water now.
It's already contaminated.
Sparkler? I'll take a picture.